Today we're gonna be building Lego from these parts. Orange. Here, all of the pieces are gonna be in front of you. Piece just fell on the floor.
Go get it. Where are you, little piss?
Got it. Put your tire, jam, flour, and piece in the yellow. Done. Done. Let me get 2 pieces. It can be any colors, but mostly in these. Did I have these? There must be 2 on top of each other. Yeah. And then here. There's a bunch of Lego. This piece like this, and a piece like this arch, then a piece like this, piece full of soda, and a big green base. Let's get it. Whoa, my Lego fell in. Let me go get it. You know I have a bed.
Where you get with your left leg.
Maybe that's not a good way for you, but I still use it. There's only 1 piece. I can now get it. Gosh. Properly. I have a green part today. And then I'll get 2 peachy. 1 in this side. It doesn't need to be really green, but still needs to be that size. Okay? Then we're gonna take just 2 apart, put it like this. And now I flipped it. This is how it's gonna look like. Get 2 white pieces. Put them up. And then put the white piece. Get the arch. And then we're done now with the upper part. Well, there's still one more thing we need to put. Get a flower. Got a white part. Down the arch. We'll put the flower and the white part. Let me put the camera up so you can see. Here like that. Now we're on to this side. Take your back part, put it down here. You'll get your pink slippery part, put it in the side, leave spaces. Then bring it in. And bring a white blue, like that. Doing lovely. Maybe let me twist this. Other side. And I'll twist Then get of the three parts, put the blue part. Get your chair looking piece and put it right behind like this. Like this. Okay. Then we're gonna get the other one, another one. But instead, putting the same size here because we don't have, we will put this up. And then the jewelry. Then here you'll get all of your other balls. The white and orange. This will be their ball selection. Slippers. And then another ball here. Come here, a little ball. Then we're gonna put them in a table. This will be like a ball. You will get that. Tile, take your balls. What? And then stack them on top of each other. The balls. Get your flour. Put it. Get the gem. Put it. And then put the tire like this. And then you can put it in a table. Nice little lamp. Okay, now you're gonna take your glass thing and put it right in the side. A blue stripe on the top and either blue pair like this. So. The blue, the light blue, and the dark blue. Now we're gonna go up again. Really go down, putting the yellow right here. And then you get your and put it right. So it just stays falling. Let me put this. Okay, we're nearly done. I'm gonna remove this white part. This is happening. Put this part. Put this part on front. Put a white and this. put. Oops. New bit. Listen. Then you get your puzzle because these are just still not made. This is a table. This is another one. Here. My sister's just shouting. So it might be noisy. You know, and the bent part and put it right on the table. Here. Or put it on top. Now you take your peach part and your little cloud. Because this is gonna be the pet place. If you have it. Really, I don't have, but that's fine. I was just thinking to make it for you. Here is a nice pet, with a nice chair for your pet out. But you get your green part, and you'll move these. Move the little blue part. Whoa! There's a piece to just that. I'm gonna bring it very fast. Okay, I'll rot it. Let me cut it just to you. Here. Move this, and we'll do. We'll take like this, and like this. And do. Then, if you have any pet food, you put it up here. Get your pigs. Put it. Ooh, little nice house. Little nice house. Get this part. Put it right in beside the pep. Put it right in the pep. And then the black part you will get to go. To put it wherever you want. I choose to put it like this. La la la, our house. Please like and subscribe. Pause the video and look at my house. Now open, then you can open the video. Let's twist. Everywhere it's nice, guys, nice. Everywhere it's nice. Okay, bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. It's very noisy. Bye.